I go to form 4, inshallah, brothers and sisters. Arsala. What is the verb? Arsala. Now you see, there were 3 rooms. We added a small room and put Hamzatul Qata there. Huh? Now it is af'ala. What is the pattern? Af'ala. Af'ala. This is your normal. If the verb is sound, you will have af'ala. Arsala. But then what is this? You are silu. This is your original. But then we don't say like that. We say your silu. Now remember, behind your silu, Hamzatul Qata is sitting. But for us, we say jokingly, it's gone to Tim Horton, you know. Everybody wants to go to Tim Horton. I don't know why. What is so special about that? Okay. So it is there, but we do not pronounce it. It is behind there. You are silu. Okay, brother. How do I make amar? As soon as I make a chop here, Brother Hassan, if I make a chop here, it's there. Hamza is already there. I do not have to bring anything. And remember, this is the only time when in the amar, Hamza has a Hamzatul Qata is with fatha. In the fi'l sulasi, Hamzatul Wasl has either kasra or dhamma. You know that, huh? In fi'l sulasi, Hamza has either dhamma or kasra. Never fatha in fi'l sulasi. But in fi'l sulasi mazid fihi, we have one time, only one time, when we have arsala, yursilu, arsil, because that Hamzatul Qata is part of the verb. It is part of the verb. So, arsala, you arsilu, and when you make amar, you chop, you, arsil is there. So all the time, Hamza that is not visible in Mudariya, when you chop you, it is there. It is there, inshallah. Okay, yourself. Brothers and sisters, yes?
Did you describe it normally? Like when you say fi'lun mudari'un?
No, this, sister, fi'lun mudari'un, marfu'un bidamma. What will you say? Fi'lu amrin mabniun ala sukun. That's all. Because that, let me write down here, arsal. So what will you say? The is part of the verb. You didn't bring it. It is there. And fi'lu amrin mabniun ala sukun. Got the idea, brother and sister? What will be the ism fa'il? Mursilun. Okay, brother and sister? What is ism maf'ul? Mursalun. And what is the masdar? Irsalun. What is the masdar? Remember Hamzatul Qata. Irsalun. Irsalun. Fine, brothers and sisters. Very easy. We'll try to conjugate difficult verbs. I want to do as-salama. The root is salima. Some of these root verbs are used in, commonly in our fi'l sulasi mujarrad form. Sometimes they are not used. They are only used in mazid fihi. So, brothers and sisters, as-salama, yuslimu. Okay? Aslama, aslama, aslamu, aslamat, aslamata, aslamna. Then it's easy. Yuslimu, yuslimani, yuslimuna, tuslimu, tuslimani, yuslimna. Are you with me? Yuslimna. Fine, brothers and sisters. Aslim, aslima, aslimu, aslimi, aslima, aslimna. Got the idea? And brothers and sisters, I didn't write it. Let me write it, brother. Aslama. So it is here, you aslimu. Huh? Remember, this is only for us to understand. Huh? But actually it is yuslimu. And then aslim. And then muslimun. Huh? Muslimun. We do not have ism maf'ul from this. Brothers and sisters? Oh gosh. Now do you know the word Islam is the masdar of Aslam. Isn't it wonderful, brothers and sisters? It's amazing. Huh? It became Islam. That's the master. Submission. Huh? Okay, fine, brothers and sisters. You got the idea, huh? Alhamdulillah. Now, we go to Ajaba. Brother, the original is Jaba. What is Jaba? Ajwaf. Huh? So it became Ajaba. Huh? Ajaba. Ajaba. What will be the mudariya? What will be? You ajibu. You are jibu. Are you with me? It will become you are jibu. You are jibu. But we don't say that, huh, brothers and sisters? Remember, I'm only writing for your understanding. This is not the way we use it. What will you say? Yujibu. Yes. See? Huh? You will now learn all these things, and when you read Quran, it will be a different feelings altogether. Brother and sister, make Amar. See, normally you will say jib. Huh? But brother, that Hamza is sitting there behind. Because if you say jib, then you are going to fail Sulasi. This is mazid fihi. That is why I'm writing Hamza, Hamzatul Kata, so you know that it now is. How many times since book 1 we are reading Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati? How do we know Ajib? Today, you know it is. Ajib is Amar. Answer. Huh? And brother, Mujib. Mujib. Huh? Okay. See now, because it is Ajwaf, Sister Madina, remember, what is there? Ajaba. It's Ajwaf. But when it is Ajwaf, then the Ta marbuta will come. What will come? Ija. Why did Ta marbuta came? Because it is Ajwaf. Are you with me? So whenever there is a Ajwaf, Ta marbuta will come in master. Huh? Okay. So ijabatun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now we do one more quickly. Akama. What is the root? Kama. Again ajwaf. Kama yakumu. Akama. You akimu. Akama, You akimu. But that's not the way we use it. What do we use it, brother? Yukimu. Huh? And then akim. Huh? How many times we say akimus salah? Huh? Amar. No, what is akim? Akimus salat. Huh? Are you with me? So, brother, we are going to come there, huh? Inshallah. And what it will be? Brother Abdul Muqim. Brother, now you know that Muqim is from Akama. Huh? Okay, and then Ikamatun. Huh? Why Ikamatun? Tun came because it is Ajwaf. You will remember that. Ikamatun. But let's now go in detail, brother. Ajaba. Ajaba, ajabu, ajabat, ajabata, ajabna. Ajabna. Huh? Are you with me? Sister Nasrin? Ajabna. See? You bring here noon. You get a sukoon here. There is a sukoon already on alif. So it went away. So what is now? Ajabna. Ajabta, ajabtuma, ajabtum, ajabti, ajabtuma, ajabtunna, ajabtu, ajabna. If you say ajabtu, means I answered. Ajabna, we answered. Got the idea? Fine, brother. Yujibu. Huh? Yujibu, yujibani, yujibuna, tujibu, tujibani, yujibna. Yujibna. Again, the ba became sakin. We have to drop the ya. Are you with me? Anta, tujibu, tujibani, tujibuna, tujibina, tujibani, tujibna. Ujibu, nujibu. Huh? Okay? Inshallah, we'll analyze that verse. Iza sa'ala ibadi anni fa inni karibun. We'll analyze that, inshallah. But I want to wait till we come to the understanding of the term Iza. Iza has something, beautiful things hidden inside it. We will learn, inshallah. Okay, brother? Ajib. Now, if you start Ajib, then what will be for Huma? Ajiba. Ya will be there now. Huh? And what will be there? Ajibu. Huh? Because now it is Yujibu. Okay? So it's Ajibu. Huh? Are you with me? Okay. Same way, it is Akim and then Akima. Akimu. Huh? Akimus Salat. Are you with me? So, how will you write down, brothers and sisters? What is the Amar? That is your Amar. Then Akimi, Akima, Akimna. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Now, brothers and sisters, Arshad, Arshada, Yurshidu. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Huh? Arshada, Yurshidu. Fine. Brothers and sisters, Arshada, Arshadu, Arshadat, Arshadata, Arshadna, Arshatta. Yurshidu, Yurshidani. Fine. That also easy. Amar, Arshid. Huh? Fine. Ism file. Murshid. And then Murshad. Huh? And then Irshad. Huh? That word in Urdu, Irshad, comes from Arshada. Yurshidu. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, we haven't put here the verb, but you know that verb very well. Arada. You know that, huh? Let's do it quickly. Arada, arada, aradu, aradat, aradata, aradna, aratta. You know. Yuridu, yuridani, yuriduna, turidu, turidani, yuridna. We know it. Amar, arid, arida, aridu, aridi. You got it. Ism file. Murid, I know this word from a long time. What is the meaning of murid? One who desires something. Huh? And murshid is someone who guides. Yeah, director, someone who guides. Huh? Are you with me, brother? Okay. Sister Madina, I am writing here Arada. I want you to make mastar out of it. What do you say in Urdu? Irada. Aapka irada kya hai? Means what is your wish? What are you wishing? But we never say irada tun, you always say irada. Huh? Maybe in Farsi also it's there. So it is actually irada tun. Huh? Why it is tun? Because it is ajwaf. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Alhamdulillah. Huh? So this is also there. Huh? Now we come to nakis. Huh? Alka yulki. Very nice verb, comes in the Quran. Okay, brothers and sisters? Let's do it. Alka, alkaya, alkau. Bas. Brother, I can make mistakes once. Then I am careful. Alkau. And then alkat, alkata, alkaina, alkaita. Fine. Alka, yulki. Yulkiyani, yulkuna. Tolki, yulkiyani, yulkina. Please write it at home. Inshallah. When you will write it, you will become so strong, brother. You will turn this book 3 into halwa puri. And you will enjoy it. You are going to enjoy it. People run away from book 3. But I say no, it's very beautiful. And you will love it, inshallah. But the key is that we should be strong in our conjugation of verbs. All those nakis, ajwaf verbs, we should understand, inshallah. Fine. Brother, make amar now. Yulki, alki. And alki, alkiya, and alku. Alku, remember? Alku, Okay, fine. So I just write down amar here. How many letters? Alka? 4. It is coming from lakiya. The root is la, he, ya. Alka. And what will be the amar, brother? Let me write down yulki. And then this is your. Say, where is your ism file? How will you make ism file? Mulkin. Mulkin. You write down mulkin. Okay? Now if you put alif lam, it will become al-mulki, with the ya will come out. Are you with me? The ya will come out. I'll write down again. One more time, brother and sister. This is lesson number 17. We'll be doing it. Book 3. But we are preparing ourselves now. So that when the lesson number 17 comes, you will be eating it quickly. Okay. And then, brother, Mulkan, Sister Madina, make mastar, alka, if'alun, ilka, yun. Then change you into Hamza. What will you say? Ilka'un. Have you got the point? What will you say? It will be first ilka yun. Then you will change that yun into on. Huh? You will change ilka on. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Little practice and you will become very strong. Brothers and sisters. Okay. I may leave one or two words because you know it a lot, but I want to do something that inshallah you will like it. Right? Atfa'a yutfi'u. This is very easy. Right? Except it's in the, there's a spelling rule to be followed for writing Hamza. See, when it got a kasra before Hamza, Hamza got a kursi of ya. When it had a sukoon before, then it got a kursi of alif. Are you with me? These are the rules you will be observing. Okay. Now, brother and sister, atamma. Atamma. So what is here? If you break it down, atamma, atmama. What is it? Atmama. Atmama. That is the root. But then, in order to pronounce properly, brothers and sisters, atmama, remember it is mudaf, so we exchange vowel signs and we make it. Now I can give it a idgham. Are you with me? It became atamma. What is originally? Atmama, which is tamma, which is actually tamma. Fine. And same way, brothers and sisters, another beautiful, beautiful verb, brother. What is this, brother? Habba. Change it into form 4. Ahabba. What is actually? Ahbaba. Af'ala. Ahbaba. Ahbaba. Okay? Now, brothers and sisters, again, we have two Ain Kalima and Lam Kalima similar. So, here, the vowel signs are exchanged. It became now are you with me? Ahbaba became ahabba, ahabba. So now you can give it the idgham and it changed into ahabba. Do you see how it happened? Now remember the rule of mudaf. What was the rule of mudaf? If there is a sakin pronoun, there will be a idgham. If there is a mutaharrik pronoun, there will be a break in the idgham. Okay? Wherever. Madi mudari, doesn't matter. I repeat the rule. You must remember sakin pronouns and mutaharrik pronouns. Okay? Sakin pronouns in the Madi are 5 and 9 are mutaharrik pronouns. And in Mudariya, sakin pronouns are 12 and 2 are mutaharrik pronouns. So I start with sakin pronouns. Huwa is a sakin pronoun. Inside that huwa, the damir is considered as a sakin pronoun. So how will I start? Ahabba. Are you with me? Ahabba. Ahabbu. Ahabbat. Ahabbata. Now comes mutaharrik pronouns. How will you say now? Ahbabna. Are you with me? You went into the original. Ahbabna. You just gave a sukoon here and added the noon. Ahbabna. And then ahbabta, ahbabtuma, ahbabtum, ahbabti, ahbabtuma, ahbabtunna, ahbabtu, Ahbabna. Yes, Sister Madina? No. Ahabu. Bow will only come when we are dropping the lam kalima. It is not nakes. Are you with me, Sister Madina? When did you started saying bow? Masha, mashaya, mashau. Because it is a lam kalima is a weak letter. Ya or wow. In here, there is no weak letter. Are you with me? So nothing is dropped. So it will be ahabba, ahabba, ahabbu, ahabbat, ahabbata, ahbabna. Are you with me? No, what will be the mudariya? Yuhibbu. What is original? Yuhibbu. What is original? Yuhbibu, mashallah. Yuhbibu. Are you with me, father? Yuhbibu. Because, remember here, you will make yu'ahbibu. What will you make from here? Yu'ahbibu. Fine. Yuhibbu. Yuhbibu. But we write down like this, brother and sister, yuhibbu. Are you with me? You will write down like this. Yuhibbu, which is actually yuhbibu. And then, how did the ha got a kasra? We changed the vowel signs. We gave a kasra here and sukun here. So it changed into yuhibbu. But what is originally? Yuhbibu. Fine, brother and sister. Mudariya. Yuhibbu, yuhibbani, yuhibbuna, tuhibbu, tuhibbani, yuhbibna. Now you got, see? Break the idgham. Yuhbibu became yuhbibna. And khalas, tuhbibna. We are now coming to the master. Make the master out of this. Ihbab. But this master is not used. The master, whenever you use ahabba, you use the master from fi'l sulasi. What is the master of fi'l sulasi? Hubbun. What is it? Hubbun. That is from fi'l sulasi we use it. Keep that in mind. Now let us make it atamma. That we were writing here. Atmama. Atamma. Okay, now quickly, brother. Atamma, atamma, atammu, atammat, atammata, atmamna. Khalas, brother. Yutimmu, yutimmani, yutimmuna, tutimmu, tutimmani, yutmimna. Khalas, brother. You know it, brother. Okay. Now, amar, atmim, or atimma. Atimma. Okay? Atmim. Atmim also can be used, brother. Let us leave aside the amar now. We will, when we go to book 3, we will inshallah. Well, let us go to ism fa'il. Mutimmun. Allah is mutimmu. Are you with me? It's in the Quran. Mutimmu. Are you with me? Now, make master. Itmamun. Itmamun. Got the idea? Itmamun, you got the idea? Now, if you will do it, you will figure out. If you won't do it, what will happen, brothers and sisters? Hawa mein udta jaye, mera fi'l, mera fa'il, ho ji, idhar udhar lahraye, mera mudaf aur mudaf ilayhi, ho ji. These are the things which fly over you. But you got to do it. You got to do it, okay? Okay, brothers and sisters. Same ways adda. Now, brother Muhammad, these verbs, you can look into the dictionary and see how the amr comes. Inshallah. But if they are not used frequently, we sometimes don't, bother about it, Okay. Aslaha, yuslihu, amar, aslih, ism fa'il, muslihun, it comes in the Quran, and then islah comes. Now the last verb, I got only 4 or 5 minutes left. Inshallah, I want to do it. And then we'll finish this session, brother, inshallah. The verb in the fi'l sulasi is amina. Bring it into form 4. What is this, brother? Okay. Now you see, amana is form 4. Are you with me? This change into amana. Now once you know all these things, brother, then your understanding of Quran is deeper. Look at it, brother. Amana. Make it mudariya. You look at this. Then Hamza is there. Yu'minu. Okay, brothers and sisters? Are you with me, brother? Yu'minu. Now remember, sometimes people say yu'minu. It is also partially correct. But this is the best way to write down. Yu'minu. Okay, fine, brother. Make it amar. The amar is actually like this. This is your amar. So how do you do it? Amin. Masha. But let's go to amin. Aminu. That is your amar. Believe. Aminu. See, look at the difference. Amana, amanu. And you change it into aminu, it becomes amar. Are you with me? Amin, and then amina, and then aminu. And what will be your ism file? Mu'min. Now today you know how the mu'min noun is constructed. It is from fi'l, amina, but from form 4. Again you will say bab, if'alun. I want you to get used to it. Brother, Madina, I want to ask Sister Madina. Sister Madina, make masdar from amana on the pattern of if'alun. What will you say? Sahi? No. Sahi? Is this your masdar? No, what happened? Where did the ya come from? Because there is a kasra here, that Hamza changed into ya, and it became This is common, brother and sister. Hamza can change into waw, or Hamza can change into ya. It will only happen when the Hamza is a sukoon, and before it there are different vowel signs. So here, amana, and on the pattern of if'alun, is this letter, imanun, and now it became iman. Isn't it beautiful, brother? I thought this was amazing. How, things are, and now that, alhamdulillah, we know it. So iman is a masdar coming from amana yu'minu. Okay? And amana is to believe. And it will always be amana bi. Amana bi. Okay? Amana yu'minu, brothers and sisters. And then min, okay? Masdar, iman. Ism fa'il, mu'min. So all these things, Now they are clear to us. And these nouns, we have been using it. But today, you learn how they were made and where are they coming from. You can trace it. Trace the nouns to its verb,